What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as the S&P 500. Just briefly checking out the markets here, and then we'll dive in a little bit further. Also, finally, I have internet. It's been 2 days without internet, and hopefully it stays that way. But I have consistently been getting like power surges throughout the night, waking up to like alarm clocks and everything different. So we'll see if that knocks the internet out again, or if there's even a relation between the two, or if I even have power. Who knows? But anywho, I have it today, so we'll make a video today. But we're going to be checking out XRP. We left off briefly talking about kind of this descending fractal that's taking place here inside of the, we had a dump into an ascending fractal here, and it's leading probably towards another descent to the downside here. We're also going to be looking at things like Solana, which broke out of a major resistance. We're going to be looking at Ethereum, which is almost like rallying outside of its major downtrend. However, there might be the need of a subtle movement up. I don't know where exactly that support's going to be. It might be something like this to include this uptrend. I don't know exactly. We don't have enough like retests of resistance to truly confirm like where this price ceiling is. I keep moving it. It's a little bit too difficult right now to really gauge where support is, where resistance is. I'll talk about that a little bit later on in today's video. But Bitcoin is rallying outside of its beautiful, descend or pennant flag right here. This is something that we've confirmed in previous videos here. This kind of descending triangle, pennant flag, and then we broke out. You can see we broke out right here. Once we confirm closure outside of that, we've just been rallying to the upside, which is super exciting. Small window of opportunity, small window of profit, but profit is still green regardless, up about 9% here with leverage. It's huge. And you can see we've been referencing this in previous videos since the breakout took place here. Look, just 4 days ago, XRP Ripple holders, insane discovery, get ready for the next run to the upside here. Beautiful pennant flag drawn. Then flash forward, we actually broke out right here. And then just yesterday, check it out, we continue to rally outside of that pennant flag. So just tons of profit consistently rolling in. So that's always an exciting factor. Otherwise, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, BYDFI, for those that don't know, just decided to change up their bonus, which is super cool. You can actually claim up to $8,100, which is pretty epic. It used to just be like $300, but they have switched that to $8,100, which is insane if you ask me. I'll put the link down in the description below, but basically they're free to sign up and you can earn tons of rewards based on what you deposit. We'll go over that later on in today's video, but basically what that means is you deposit, you can earn a ton of bonus money to trade around with for free, and then you can just withdraw the money that you deposited out and you're good to go. And it's basically like exchange arbitrage of bonus money, which is pretty cool. But we'll talk about that later. You can see currently CoinMarketCap 58 on the Fear and Greed Index. We're up 2.5% today, almost 10%, practically almost double digits for a lot of the cryptocurrencies over the course of the week, which is definitely epic. And you can see a lot of these cryptos are in some sort of ascent. Like everything is starting to climb upwards here. Solana, XRP, Doge, TON, Cardano. I mean, granted, we've been on like this bender of correction for months now, and finally we're starting to see some reversals, which is definitely a good sign here. But you can see like, yes, and I'm on XRP right now. We just had this major dump, like huge dump to the downside here. And then since then, we have been forming this new ascending fractal. Now, I don't think I can include that. I guess I can. It doesn't do any harm extending that just a hair, and I'm going to extend this out too. But you can see kind of this ascending fractal here. We fall into this new pattern, and as we continue to pan out, what we're looking for here is, to fill this gap in. Once we complete this, then we'll know exactly where we're moving to. But the fact of the matter is we have a new technical indicator. We have higher lows and we have higher highs. You can see here just continuously ping-ponging, bouncing up and down off these major supports and resistances as we fill in this gap here. And soon we'll be left with a decision. Now, typically how we enter these kind of fractals is how we exit. So there's a lot riding on XRP that could cause correction to take place. So definitely, keep that in the back of your head, because that is a huge, and I mean a huge possibility here. But we could also see a reversal out. there's a lot riding on this, and that's what makes it difficult. You can see scaling things to XRP on the daily charts here. We have a much larger kind of symmetrical triangle forming. So it's not just this kind of ascending fractal. We also have a symmetrical triangle. And the problem, though, is we have a price ceiling, we have a moving average, and we have this uptrend all acting as resistance, pushing the price of XRP down. Now, it's very possible we could break through this and fall all the way down to previous support that you can see we've retested numerous times in the past here. That is a huge possibility. Or that won't happen, and we'll actually just rebound and continue to pan out inside the symmetrical triangle until completion, which would also be great. But we don't know just yet. There's too much riding on this. And really, looking at the 4-hour, that's kind of the craziest part of it is inside this ascending fractal. Now, moving forward into BYDFI here, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. As I mentioned earlier in today's episode, BYDFI does have a way now, which is crazy, up to 8,100 USDT. But on top of that here, you can see we're tracking Bitcoin's descending fractal here. But they have a new reward center and they have a demo trading account, which they're saying is new too. So we're definitely going to check this out. We're also going to check the rewards out here as I populate all this. But you can buy long, you can sell short, you can create stop limit orders. They have XRP right here to leverage trade on the live account, which you can see we're also tracking the beautiful kind of ascending fractal that's taking place here. We can scale this up just a hair, continue this out just a little bit here, and you can see that we're still inside this major fractal formation here. We could even create take profits and stop losses right there. Moving forward, though, they have this new reward center, which is epic. And what I was saying, this 8,100, you can actually find it right at the bottom here or somewhere. Actually, right at the top. They used to say it. Maybe they updated it from yesterday. Nope, new user right here. Here we go. So you can see limited time benefits. You can now earn $8,100. New users can get, on top of that, a $100 reward as well here. So tons of different ways to earn free cryptocurrency. Super easy, super simple. And on top of that, they even have these daily benefits that you can earn. Tons of free ways to get money. Literally just follow XRP or follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord, follow them on Telegram. Tons and tons and tons of different ways. They even have exclusive benefits right here, which is also pretty epic. Tons of ways, yet again, to earn more free bonus money. And you can use that bonus money to pretty much leverage trade or do whatever you want with. On the live trading account, you go over to USDTM, and you can see it deposits it as a bonus wallet right here. And I can leverage trade this money up to $2,500 just on $130. And all the profit I earn on this, I can withdraw completely free. Now, before you do that, I always recommend using the demo trading account that they have here. It gives you $50K in Monopoly money or demo money to test your skills completely free. And then when you're ready, then you can go to the live trading account, use that bonus money and earn a lot of free cryptocurrency, which is also super cool. But moving forward from that, looking at Solana here, Solana rallied out. We've now drawn in a new downtrend here. We've even broken through that. So there's a really good chance we can rally up even higher. You can see we kind of found this higher low point here, and it's almost like we're going to continue to scale up, which is pretty cool. If you ask me, there's a good chance this is going to continue to ascend to the upside as we move higher and higher and higher. So very epic, very cool. It is a bit early, though. We might need to consolidate down before heading even higher up on Solana, but we still look really good. But my main focus is on XRP right now and maybe Bitcoin. I'm having trouble kind of figuring out like the chart that I want to go with on Ethereum. It could be this that we have now. You can even scale this down a little bit here, but the way we're reacting to this, it almost seems like something is forming. It's just definitely a bit harder to kind of figure out exactly what that is. Maybe it's this, maybe this could be the new downtrend, just like that. And then this could be the uptrend. This could for sure be something to, keep an eye out on. That this might even be some sort of newish kind of symmetrical triangle that's starting to pan out on Ethereum here. And as we fill in this gap, higher lows, lower highs, we fill it in, then we'll be led to a decision, and hopefully that decision is in our favor and we rally to the upside. Even though we could take advantage of it either way, you could see Bitcoin has finally confirmed closure outside of major resistance here. This is huge. But if I jump to the weekly, you can see we have wicked above it in the past on the weekly charts here. So until we can confirm closure, like on Sunday, above this major resistance here, then we know it's breakout time. Like, look at this. It's a beautiful, massive bull flag. So if we manage to confirm closure exactly where we are right here, we can expect to see the rest of the week continue to bump higher. And I think we can easily hit 100,000. So this is very, very, very good news. Stock market, I drew yesterday or 2 or 3 days ago here that there was almost like this major resistance, like a top price ceiling that the price rejects on. You can see hits this, rejects. We hit it here, we fell, we hit it here, we fell, and here we are again hitting it. So there's a good chance, again, we are going to fall as we ping pong inside this new ascending fractal that I have just recently discovered. So very exciting, very cool. Keep your eyes on that. And with that all being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.